With Corel Paintshop Pro you can create your best photos ever. With smarter editing features, 30% faster brushes, new creative tools and easier color selection, this complete photo editing software helps you turn your snapshots into beautiful, gallery-worthy images. A great fit for all skill levels, Paintshop Pro X7 brings out the best in your photos that matter. Before continue, if you like this video hit the like button and subscribe, these help me to create more content, thanks. Whether you are a photo aficionado or an experienced photographer, Paintshop Pro X7 was built with you in mind. Seamlessly erase an unwanted part of your photo and replace it with background that matches the surrounding area, even if it is textured or varied, with Magic Fill. This content-aware feature works with your favorite selection tools. Enhance photos quickly with popular brushes, including paintbrush, airbrush and retouching brushes that are 30% faster. Moving between workspaces is also faster in this release. Instantly create a photo object by using text or a shape to clip an underlying photo or image. The result is an instant photo object, new file, with a transparent background that you can paste or drag to any image as a layer. Paintshop Pro X7 introduces a more refined, cleaner user interface to make your photo editing and designing tasks easier and more enjoyable. You'll start smoothly and get things done faster in the new immersive and user-friendly workspace. The built-in Discovery Center makes it easier than ever to find the help you need. Choose from the library of helpful video tutorials to develop your skills and become a better photographer and photo editor. Any newbie to photo editing will find Corel Paintshop Pro's interface simple and easy to use. The interface itself is divided into 4 workspaces: Photography, Essentials, Complete, and Sea to Sky. These divisions allow for a streamlined and more manageable approach for new users, both novice and experienced. The Photography workspace allows users to quickly add a wide variety of effects and augmentations, including some powered by AI-infused technology. Some of these include AI upsampling for image enlargements, AI denoise used for noise removal, AI artifact style transfer that works with the pixels themselves rather than working on top of the image. The Essentials workspace is a more stripped-down version of the Complete workspace and is a perfect interface for intermediate users looking to learn more about image editing. It's not the full-featured version of the software that, of course, belongs to the Complete workspace, but its menus are straightforward enough, and the usability of the interface is extremely enjoyable to navigate. The final workspace, Sea to Sky, is the perfect space for users with no knowledge of photo editing who need to add effects quickly and easily. This workspace's interface is so simple and easy that literally anyone can learn the fundamentals in a very short time. Just because Corel Paintshop Pro is wonderful for novices and beginners, don't think that it doesn't offer much for experts. Within the Complete workspace, users can generate excellent photo quality and incredible levels of control from the advanced tools and filters found here. Additionally, when users are within the Complete workspace, they are able to utilize the organizer, which offers a fast and simple way to search your computer for images and open them directly in Paintshop Pro. Unfortunately, Corel Paintshop Pro is currently only available for Windows, albeit at a great price point. Those interested will be happy